This is the Nicwell Ultrasonic Cleaner. I got this for my daughter to clean her retainers. Let's take a look.
Now I will demonstrate how to use the ultrasonic cleaner according to the instructions. In here, we already plugged it in, which there is a little outlet right there that you plug in the jack for. The next step is to add water. However, we do not have a pipelet like they use in the instructions, so I'm just going to fill this up after detaching. Okay. The next step is to place the items in, or item. In this case, it's retainers, obviously. Here. 1, 2. Okay. Now, in order to have a 5-minute clean, you'd press it once. To have a 10-minute clean, you'd press it twice. And hold the button to turn it off. So we're gonna, once it's 5 minutes, 2 times is 10 minutes. And you can tell by the different colors over here, which might be hard in the video, but in real life you'll see a lot better. Now we wait for it to fully clean, and then we'll get back to you with the results. Okay, we can see that after it ends, it simply turns off. There's no beeping, no nothing. Take out the retainers. I'll plug it too. Probably should have done this first. Okay. Remove the item. And we rinse both this tap water. Hope they're nice and clean now. Here, I'll put this to the side. And once we're done with the cleaner, we dump the water and we clean this out too. After we dry this, you put it back and you store it in a nice dry location. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this product. Goodbye!
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.